Well, that was interesting. I almost lost my GoPro not once, but twice. I've been using a JOBY, like a suction cup that goes on the front of my car, and never had an issue before. But today, as I was going up to Woody Gap, this particular session just basically flew off the front of my car and did like about 3,000 or 4,000 flips in the air before it smashed into the ground. And believe it or not, it's still working. So then I decided, you know what? That's probably just bad luck. No big deal. You know, I'll put it back on. It's never happened before. What's the odds it'll happen again? What happened again? So, for those using GoPros and using JOBY attachments to attach them to your car, this is not necessarily foolproof, and it can fall apart when least expected. So always exercise caution when using any type of JOBY attachment or accessory. Let's keep moving.